Previously on Mr. Tranquilo's channel, we cruised from Croatia to Turkey with my friend's sailboat. On the way to Greece, we spent 3 nights in Montenegro. In this video, you are going to watch our journey from Corfu Island to Antipaxos Island in Greece. Hello everyone, today I'm in Goiva Marina in Corfu. Our plans are sailing and cruising around the Ionian Islands. We will start our tour from Paxos and Antipaxos Island, which is very close to us right now, very close to Corfu. Hello everybody from Paxos, Greece. This is a beautiful morning. Right now I'm going back to boat by a dinghy.
İşte burası Gaios abi. Adanın başkenti.
Gaios is sheltered by the islet of Agios Nikolos and Nisida Panagia, which gets its name from the monastery located in this island. By the way, islet means very small island. There are a lot of fishing boats, dinghy boats, rental speedboats, sailing boats and motor yachts everywhere. It is just like a very narrow and quiet channel here in Gaios. The waterfront of Gaios has many tavernas, cafes and restaurants. Gaios is picturesque main town of Paxos Island. It has become very popular within sailors as well as tourists on a day trip from Corfu and mainland Greece. You can see the typical Ionian, Italian and Greek mixture architecture in this island. Luxurious mansions, Venetian streets, and traditional, picturesque, colorful houses.
Hello everyone. We moved to Kaltsonisi Island in Paxos. This is a very small island and has a really beautiful, very clear turquoise water right here. You can see the deep of the water. It's very nice. And Kaltsonisi Island is right behind us. It's a very small island, but there's one church in this island. That's all. And you can see Antipaxos Island in the other side. And tonight we're gonna spend in Antipaxos Island. So we will spend a day here by swimming in this water.
Anti means opposite. Antipaxos means the opposite side of the Paxos Island. Antipaxos Island is just 3 nautical miles from the main port of Gaios. It takes 25-minute boat ride from the Gaios. The easiest way to get to Antipaxos Island is a day cruise from Paxos, Corfu Islands or from the mainland Parga. Antipaxos Island is just 4 kilometers long and 3 kilometers wide, one of the smallest of the Ionian Islands. The island has around 30 full-time residents working in the tavernas and living in a handful of villas in this island. There are no shops, no petrol stations, or even proper roads on the island. Antipaxos has no facilities to stay overnight, although there are some private houses. Of course, Antipaxos is one of the best stops for sailing boats and motor yachts too. And also you can see many people getting there by rental small boats. Hello everyone, I'm in Antipaxos, Voutoumi beach in Greece. Today it's very windy, but beach looks really great as always. Let me show you. This is the water, and very nice clear turquoise water right here. And now there are some caves in the beach, and the beach is right there, as you can see. I'm still walking in the water. After a while, I will start a swim. This is the turquoise water of Antipaxos beach. The sea is wavy because there's wind, strong wind I mean. But the water is still very nice. After a short walk from the People Beach, you are right in the white sands. Voutoumi beach is an organized beach with people's homes and then white sands. Now people are living, and as you can see, it's also an organized beach. You can see some beds and umbrellas are organized right now, but in the daytime they are full of people under this umbrellas, some umbrellas and some beds. Now there are just some people left in the beach, on this People Beach. You know, there's another restaurant up there. To go to the second restaurant in Voutoumi Beach, you have to climb the stairs. And of course there are a lot of natural sounds. The sounds of waves, sounds of birds, and some insects. Sounds really great. There are a lot of stairs, and probably you want to take a rest right in between. Yeah, here we are in the restaurant. I don't know what type of. It's incredible.
god, this restaurant is incredible. Look at it. There's a window. And all the beach. This is Voutoumi beach. Paxos, Antipaxos, Greece. This is Voutoumi beach, Antipaxos, Greece. Looks amazing. Yeah, we have to go back now. All the way back to the beach by using the stairs. It's much more easier to go down. Oh my gosh. It's just like walking and trekking in a forest. You can hear the sounds of the waves, and when you walk down you can see the color of the sea and the white people beach. In Voutoumi beach there is one restaurant you can walk from this way, and the restaurant is right there. And after a short walk you are in the restaurant of Voutoumi, bar restaurant Voutoumi. It looks really nice, but it's not very crowded because it's evening and people are getting ready to go home back.
Μια φλόγα έχω μέσα στην καρδιά, λες και μάγια μου έχεις κάνει φραγκοσιλιάνη γρινιά, λες και μάγια μου έχεις κάνει φραγκοσιλιάνη